So I'll be speaking to you about the way how you have to understand what is the skill you have in you and how you can take that as a profession. Many of the students or many of the teenagers are confused. If someone is doing something, you are also willing to do, but you don't know whether you have that skill in you or not. So first tip is please make the list of your likes and dislikes. After you make the list, again make another list of what you are having a skill, what skill you are confident about. Example, are you a very good speaker? Do you write well? Or is what kind of participation have you made in schools or colleges? What is that you participate more? Because that may be also a skill. Do you have group effective skills, or else do you have that decision making skills? So many skills are there, you get it online, check it. If you are not able to do it, always online tests are there, take that skill online tests. Next is, if you are not able to figure out what it is, please consult a career guidance counselor. In Bangalore, I can say you can go to Banjara Academy. That's the best place where they help you out with career guidance. They give you the best kind of suggestions which suit to you personality. I mean, now, after you do all these things, you're not able to understand whether you have to follow your dream, whether you have to follow your profession, whatever your parents are telling to follow. Now here you go. After 20 years, my only talk about is you have to have your earnings. After 20, you have to earn. You have to start earning. Whether you like it, whether you don't like it, you have to earn. Many of them, they don't have job satisfaction. They say, I am doing for my parents, I'm doing for them. I don't know why I'm going to work. I just don't enjoy anymore. These are the weird answers they give. If you take me as an example, I personally have 8 hours job. I go to a school and work. I'm a child psychologist. I do that. After I do that, I come back home and I get that enough time. I make sure that I get that enough time to make these videos, because this is the passion I have, to make videos, to become a motivational speaker. But present, I know I'm practically connected. I am thinking logically that if I put this motivational speaking videos as a profession right now, I don't get anything, because I'm not earning in this videos anything right now. If I take this as a profession and go ahead and I say, oh, I'll follow my dream, obviously I cannot be independent. I'll become dependent towards my family financial stuff. The more you become dependent towards your family support through a financial, I mean, they take you for granted, they treat you ill. Finally, practically speaking, this is how you'll be treated after 20 years. Oh, this guy is not having a job, this lady is just wasting her time. They start commenting negative about your skills, about your personality, about your identity, and they question your identity. My only suggestion is, you don't like it, you like it, please join a job. After you join a job, whatever is your dream, whatever is your passion, you enjoy the most, give time after 8 hours, because 8 hours is the work timings wherever you go. After that, weekends you get time to spend enough enhancing the skill of what you like. If you want to become a cricketer, if you want to become something in sports, I think you have to understand what your family also needs, because finally we are living with them. Many of them make this big mistake thinking that I'll take this as a profession. They don't have a backup plan. If I don't have this, what I will do? So having a job is important after 20. If your family is supporting in that sports, or singing or dancing, whatever it is, if they're supporting, well and good. What if they're not supporting? What if financially there is issues at home and you say, I want to follow my dream? Practically it's not it's impossible to take care of you after 20 for your family members, I mean. So have the problem solving skills, and finally decision making is quite important. So jot down, write down, make a diagram of what you like, what you don't like. After that, what is the job you can fit in? After that, okay, what is the passion I have? What is the dream I want to? I want to become a dancer, I want to become a singer. Okay, how much time I can give after 8 hours, what I work. So these are the plans you have to make. After that, do it. After that, show it, because time is there. You are young. You can do it. Always you are young. Treat yourself young. Don't think it's end. Oh, I'm working now. My dreams are vanished. I'm done with it. The more you tell, you don't enjoy your present.